Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Robertson County and central Texas, southwestern Milam County and central Texas, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:40 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Verne, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hearn, Wheelock, and Benchley. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your